channel. Today I'll be walking you through a key concept in C programming. It's constants. So let's dive into the unchanging world of constants. What is a constant? A constant is just like a variable, but with one big difference. Once it's given a value, that value cannot be changed during the execution of the program. They ensure that certain values stay consistent, whether it's tax rated or any critical value that should never be altered. Now that we understand what a constant is, let's look at the 5 main types of constant in 3. Integer constant, floating point constant, character constant, character string constant, and enumeration constants. Each of these plays a unique role, helping us store specific types of data safely and consistently. Let's look at them one by one. First up, integer constants. These are whole numbers. They can be positive, negative, or zero. What makes them interesting is that they come in different number systems. Decimal, the usual numbers we use every day. Octal, numbers starting with 0. Hexadecimal, numbers starting with 0x or 0 capital X. You can even add suffixes to specify the type. L for long, double L for long, U for unsigned integers. And when printing them, C uses format specifiers like I, O, and X. Integer constants are essential when dealing with load counters, array sizes, and other situations where precision matters. Okay, next we have floating point constants. These represent numbers with decimal points. If integers are about whole values, floats gives us the details and precision. We can even use scientific notation with E, simple E, or capital E. Suffixes help us to define the type more clearly. Simple F for capital F for float. Simple L or capital L for long double. When printing floats, use F or E. These constants are especially useful in financial calculations, physics, simulations, or any field where functions are key. Let's move to character constants. These are single characters enclosed in single quotes. Each character constant has an underlining value, and they are often used in conditional checks, loops, or menu-driven programs. To print them, we use the format specifier C. Simple, no? Yes, but incredibly powerful when dealing with input or output operations and character level processing. While we are talking about characters, let's not forget the escape sequences. These are special character combinations that start with the backslash. They help us include characters in strings that are otherwise hard to type. They bring flexibility and formatting control into our programs. Next we have character string constants. Unlike character constants, these can hold multiple characters, and they are enclosed in double quotes. String constants represent sequences names, messages, file paths, or user input. Finally, let's explore enumeration constants. Enums allows us to define our own custom constant names that represent integer values. This makes your code easier to read, maintain, and debug. Imagine trying to remember that 0 is equal gains. Enums make your code self-explanatory. It's like giving nicknames to numbers that actually make sense. So, thank you so much for your attention. I hope this session helps you recognize the quiet power constant bring to your code. And remember, in a world full of variables, be a constant. Happy coding! Bye bye!